Look at this. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Again, helping for Christmas, not Christmas, every day. It doesn't matter if it's Christmas or not, we still are helping. Merry Christmas to everybody who's celebrating. Happy New Year. I wish you all the best in the next 2024. God bless all of you. It doesn't matter where you're from and who you are, what color you are, what gender you are. I don't give a okay? I love you all. God bless all. Let's stay positive for the next year and go and make something good for the world. Enjoy the video.
So today is a special day. Santa Phil has arrived to deliver happiness to the kids. We are here in the market buying stuff for the kids. We'll see you soon in some time. So we have arrived here with the surprise. And the surprise is this Santa Phil. Yeah. So Santa Phil has brought so many stuff for them. You can see the children are so much happy and they are receiving with love the gifts sent by the Santa Phil. Thank you, Phil, for all your love and support. So these are the stuff. These are eggs, biscuits, bananas, snacks, apple juice, milk, all necessary essential proteins and other nutrients for the kids. Thank you, Phil, for all your love and support. Now it's time to distribution of milk to each one of them. She is the teacher appointed by Phil. Phil takes care of salary of the teacher and these stuffs, regular distribution of such stuffs. It's creating so much difference to their lives. This is the place where they live. They live in such a shabby condition, and you can see. And these are the all kids who are not able to go to any school, but there is Santa Phil who is taking care of their education as well as nutrition. Finally, all kids are happy. It was an enjoyable day. Thank you once again, Santa Phil, for all your love and support. It was a memorable day for all kids. Thank you and have a happy Merry Christmas. Bye.